So hey people, this is Susana Gribin Camilla and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to be practicing our modeling in our Solidworks. So for today's video, our task is to draw this figure on Solidworks with its corresponding dimensions. So without further ado, let's get started. So to start, we're going to be starting at the top plane. So we're going to sketch that. We're going to sketch using center rectangle there. So our measurement is 3 by 3.75. By using smart dimension, we're going to modify this one to 3 and 3.75. There you have it. Then we're going to extrude that. So based on our figure, this is 0.38 in thickness. So I'm going to modify this one into there. You have it. And check that. Okay, and we're going to use fillet. Based on our figure, this one has a radius of 0.50. So we need to modify this one to 50. Check that and click this edge. Then click this one so that fillet command will be applied to the other three corners of this object. So check that one. So there you have it. So next one, we're going to make this 4 circles here with a diameter of 0.38. So to do that, so we're going to click this one, sketch, face. Then we're going to draw 4 circles. So by clicking your cursor here at that fillet, we'll be having this point where you can draw your circles. So do this one as well. Also this part. There. We're drawing random size of circles. So after that, we're going to modify the size of this circle and we'll make a relation of equals. Then we're using smart dimension to make this 0.38. There you have it. So our sketch is fully defined. So yeah, 0.438. Then next part is check that. Then let's go with our ISO view there, and we're going to make extrude cut with that 4 circles. So we're going to select through all to make sure that this one will be cutted. So check that. There you have it. So to check there. Next one, we're going to use the right plane and to sketch. Then we're going to use center line. So we're going to be making this part this part wherein we have this shape here with 4 holes on end. with the size of 0.31, so its thickness is 0.31 as well, and it is on this 30-degree angle and 2.66 here. So to do that, there, and okay, then smart dimension, this is 2.66, and this one angle is 90 plus our 30 degrees there. Okay, 120 degrees. There you have it. Then exit sketch. Then we're going to use we're going to add plane. So by using the right plane and clicking this line here. So there you have it. We're going to add plane on that part. So there. So click this plane and sketch. And from a face. Another view. This one's better. So we can be using center rectangle. So there you have it. Then we're going to modify that one. So this one will be dimension. Changing this one as 2.38. There, and we're going to make this one 1.88. According to our 2.38, then 1.88. So this is still underdefined, so to make that fully defined, we're going to make this one. So make this one and this. Wait up. So this point, make a relation to this line as midpoint. There you have it. We're fully defined now. So this plane, we're gonna hide it first. Plane number 1, we're gonna hide it first. There. And let's go to our ISO view. There. To features, then extrude base. So since we want that to be upward, let's change direction there. So according to our image, it's 0.31 in thickness. So change this to 31. There you have it. Then we're going to make fillet on this side again. It says here that it is 0.31 as well in radius. So fillet this one. This will be 0.31. Just this again for it to be applied to the 3 other corners, and check that one. There you have it. Then let's hide this one first. And we're going to sketch on this side to make that 4 circles, 4 holes with a diameter of 0.31. So we're going to use center rectangle, be modifying that. This one, we're going to set this to 1.26. Then 1.74. Then we're going to draw circles on the four sides. So we're using this rectangle as a guide for us to be able to draw that four circles on these four sides. Then let's modify that circle. This is 0.31. Then let's select that four circles and add a relation, which is equal. There you have it. So it's not fully defined yet, so we're going to make this one to be at the middle portion of this part. So let's click that one, let's make smart dimension. This one and this one should be 2.38 over 2 for it to be in the middle. Oops. So let's do it first. So I made something. I made a mistake. Exit that first. Catch. Okay, let's do that. 126. Sorry about the noise that you're hearing about the dogs. There. Modify that. These four circles equal. Let's make an extruded cut here. And let's change it to 14. So for us to be sure that it is cut enough. There you have it. Next part is that we're going to be making this part here. It's 0.31 in thickness, 0.31 in thickness. To do that, I'm going to be using the front plane. Sketch, then going to insert line here to here. Then going to this point into this one, pierce. Then we do that also here and here, pierce. Then exit sketch. Then next one we're going to be sketching here something. This one and this one 1.5, since this is 3 for it to be at the center of this one. This, so check. Then case of view. Then we're going to draw something here at this side. So sketch first. And this one we're going to sketch from there. Then corner rectangle. Another one. There, just modify that. As well. Then for finishing touches, let's make this point and this line with the relation of midpoint. Okay. Exit sketch. And let's go to our isometric unit. Then we're going to use this loft pause or base. So as you can see, I'm going to select this first sketch, then this one. So as you can see here, it's not a perfect drawing. So to make that perfect, let's change our guideline or our guide curves, and this will be our guideline. So as you can see, it's now perfect. So just check that. So there you have it. The next part, we're going to be drawing this part. So we're going to use the right plane. There. Sketch. Then we're going to insert a line from here to here. Have it. So it's fully defined. Sketch. There, have it. And we're going to use red. Yes. And that is 31 in thickness, 0.32 in thickness. So let's just maintain this one here. Let's maintain this one, both sides. Just check that. There you have it. So now we're going to be making the circles here. This one, which is this one is 0.59, then it is 1.38 distance from this line and 0.5 distance from the middle. So to do that, going to be sketching here and going to draw two random circles here, and we'll be modifying that circles by using smart dimension. This is 0.75 and the other one is 0.5. There you have it. Then we're going to make this one. The distance of that one to this one is 1.38. There you have it. Then another distance from here, and this one is 0.5. As you can see, it's overlapping here, and that's what we wanted. So let's now check it and go to features and extrude. So we need it, this one, or we need an extruded part here and to the other part. So we're going to select contour and we're going to select the outside only. So for it to be a solid figure like this one. So, and we're going to add another direction here so that we have another extruded part here. So as for this one, this measure 0.59 inches. So enter. Now, then another direction. So that will be measured as 2.38 or 1.38 minus that 0.59. There you have it. So let's just check that one. There. Then we're going to be using again the sketch to have extruded cut. So let's select the contour first again, then let's select the inner part by this time so that it will be cutted through both. So there you have it. Check it and to check there. So for the finishing touches, as you can see, there's a cutted part here, so we're gonna do that here. So that is 1.13, 1.13, so 2.66 and 0.06 in height. So to do that, let's select this face, sketch, and define. So let's add a relation up this point and this point, shift vertical. So as you can see, it's fully defined. So now what's left is to make the cutted part here. So let's go to features, extruded cut, and let's select through all. As you can see, and we're done. We have successfully drawn our object or our figure in our Solidworks with its right specification, with its right dimensions. So that would be all for today. Thank you all for watching my vlog. Thank you all and God bless.